Wow! Race car. Elk. Cow. Dog. Loader. Amazing. Hello everyone. Today we're in the great outdoors and we have some wild zoo animals, farm animals, and car toys. Wow, look at all the toys along this wall here. Amazing. Let's put them in our box. Wow, elephant. Elephants are the largest land animal on Earth. There are two species of elephants, African elephants and Asian elephants. Let's get another toy. Loaders are heavy-duty vehicles used in construction and various other industries. They move materials such as dirt, gravel, and debris. Turtles are reptiles that have been around for millions of years. There are over 300 different species of turtles. Race cars are designed vehicles that are used in high-speed competitive races called auto racing. Camels are large mammals that have long legs and a humped back. Camels are well adapted to desert life and can survive in extreme heat and harsh conditions. Fire trucks, also known as fire engines, are specifically designed vehicles used by firefighters to respond to emergencies and combat fires. Raccoons are small to medium-sized mammals known for their distinctive black facial mask and ringed tail. Hippos are the third largest land mammal after elephants and rhinos. Vans are a type of vehicle that are commonly used for transportation of people or cargo. Black bears are native to North America and can be found in various habitats including forests, mountain, and swamps. Tigers are the largest species of big cats in the world, with males weighing up to 660 pounds and measuring up to 11 feet in length from head to tail. Dogs are known as man's best friend because they are extremely loyal and loving companions. Horses have been domesticated for thousands of years and were used as a means of transportation before cars were invented. Pigs have a great sense of smell, even better than dogs. Giraffes are the tallest land animals, with adult males reaching heights of up to 18 feet. Cows are large, domesticated animals that are commonly found on farms. Elks are the largest species of deer in North America. Wildebeest are large antelope that are found in the grasslands and savannas of eastern and southern Africa. Roosters have a distinctive crowing sound that they use to communicate with other chickens and establish their territory. There are about 37 species of foxes, but the most common is the red fox, found in the northern hemisphere. Zebras are members of the horse family, Equidae, and are native to Africa. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more toy videos. We'll see you later.